So we've had two books that have shown particularly interesting altmetric patterns. The first one, Campaign Finance and Political Polarization, that you see on screen here. This is a book that was funded by the William and Flora Hewlett Foundation, who wanted to make this open access through their Madison initiative to create an informed citizenry. So Hewlett was particularly interested to see whether this was having an effect on public policy discussions. So here we have the Altmetric score button. And if we look at the Altmetric scores, one thing that's very interesting here is to look at the news outlets that picked this book up. So we're seeing the Washington Post, Salon, Vox, Politico further down. These are all news outlets that definitely have an effect on public policymakers. And you can see it's also being picked up by some specialist political blogs. This is an open access book. Here's another example, though, which is not open access, and this was a real surprise to us. Economics and Elections is a 1988 book. We'd sort of lost focus on this. And even though the Altmetric score is low, what's interesting here is that this is drawing data from the Open Syllabus project. So if we look at the syllabi that are picking this up, we're very struck and surprised that a 1988 book is still being used in a number of different universities. At Harvard, at CUNY in New York, Georgetown. And so this is really making us think that this is a book that we should reissue a new edition of, Economics and Elections, the Major Western Democracies. So two very interesting results, two very different books, one open access, one not. And both results that allow us to tell a story to the funder and make decisions within our organization.